Hello everyone, myself Supriya Tiwari and she is Muskan Patel. We read in Green Valley International School. Today we are present here to show the experiment that stomata is present on the surface of the leaf. So let's start. First of all, we will take a part of the leaf and then we will remove the apical part of the leaf and we will remove our leaf peel and then wash it in the fresh water and then keep it over a slide and then we will add some glycerin and then safranin on it. Then we will observe it under the microscope. Now we will see here the following features. Now I can see here that stomata is present on the surface of the leaves.
अभी एक और एक्सपेरिमेंट बच्चे में क्लास में
This is the guard cell. This is subsidiary cell. This is chloroplast. In the microscope, we can see that stomata is looks like this one. This is guard cell, this is subsidiary cell, and this is chloroplast. This is the whole figure of stomata. Thank you very much.